If you live in Sterling Heights, you know how extreme Michigan weather can be. Freezing winters, humid summers, and constant temperature swings can put a serious strain on your home's comfort and your energy bills. One of the most effective upgrades homeowners make to combat these challenges is installing vinyl replacement windows. These modern windows do far more than improve curb appeal. They play a major role in boosting energy efficiency year-round. Better insulation for Michigan's climate. Older windows are often the biggest source of heat loss in a home. Drafts, worn seals, and outdated single-pane glass allow warm air to escape in winter and let hot air creep in during summer. Vinyl replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation in mind. Their multi-chambered frames trap air, reducing heat transfer and helping your home maintain a consistent indoor temperature. In Sterling Heights, where winters can be long and cold, this added insulation helps keep warm air inside, reducing the workload on your heating system. During the summer, vinyl windows help block outdoor heat, keeping your home cooler without overworking your air conditioner. Energy-efficient glass makes a big difference. Modern vinyl replacement windows typically come with double or triple pane glass options. Between the panes, insulating gas fills such as argon help slow down heat transfer. Many windows also include low emissivity, low E coatings that reflect heat back into your home during winter and deflect it away during summer. For Sterling Heights homeowners, this means improved comfort in every season. Rooms stay warmer when it's cold outside and cooler when temperatures rise, all while using less energy to maintain those conditions. Tight seals reduce drafts and air leaks. One common complaint with older windows is noticeable drafts, especially during windy Michigan winters. Vinyl replacement windows are custom-fit to your home and installed with precision to eliminate gaps and leaks. High-quality weather stripping and fusion-welded frames create an airtight seal that prevents unwanted air movement. By reducing drafts, vinyl windows help maintain even temperatures throughout your home. You won't have to rely as heavily on space heaters in winter or extra cooling in summer, which translates to lower energy consumption and more consistent comfort. Lower energy bills over time. One of the most appealing benefits of vinyl replacement windows is long-term savings. Because these windows help regulate indoor temperatures more efficiently, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. Over time, this can lead to noticeable reductions in monthly energy bills. For homeowners in Sterling Heights, where heating costs can spike during winter, energy-efficient vinyl windows can make a meaningful financial difference. While the initial investment pays off in comfort, the ongoing savings help offset the cost year after year. Durable, low-maintenance performance vinyl is naturally resistant to moisture, rot, and temperature-related warping, important qualities in a region that experiences snow, rain, and humidity. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't require repainting or sealing to maintain its energy performance. This durability ensures your windows continue to perform efficiently for decades without added upkeep. That reliability means homeowners can enjoy energy savings without worrying about declining performance due to weather exposure. A smart upgrade for Sterling Heights homes. Vinyl replacement windows are one of the smartest energy efficiency upgrades available for Sterling Heights homeowners. They improve insulation, reduce drafts, enhance comfort, and lower energy costs, all while offering long-lasting durability and minimal maintenance. If your current windows are outdated or inefficient, upgrading to vinyl replacement windows can transform how your home feels and functions throughout the year. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term peace of mind, perfectly suited for Michigan's demanding climate.